Hey there, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and in this video we're going to be going over on how to perform a reboot or a reset on your Samsung Galaxy A21S. So let's begin with the video now.
So what's up everyone, welcome back to Serg-Tech. Sergio here. In this channel I do a lot of tech reviews and tutorials, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos like this. There's going to be links to everything that I talk about in this video in the description down below, so do check that out, and let's get right on with the video.
So the reason you may want to do this, maybe your phone is freezed up in one app, or maybe it just doesn't want to work, and even if you try turning it off, it doesn't work. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn it off, and basically all you have to do is long press the button right here. That's going to take you to the power off menu, where you're going to have the option to power off, reboot, or emergency mode. But in case you can't access to that menu, all you're going to have to do is long press volume down and the black button at the same time. So we're going to do that, and then our screen is going to go into the power off menu and then shut it off completely. Once the screen is all black, we'll be able to let go of the buttons, and then the phone is going to start rebooting. So we're going to do that, volume down and black button at the same time. We wait, we keep holding until the screen goes black. So just give it about 3 seconds, and now that it's black you can just let go. You're gonna see the Samsung logo right up, and now you're just gonna wait a couple seconds for it to start up again. So as you can tell, the phone has been completely rebooted and is going to be working 100%, as you can tell. Alright everyone, so that was it on the video on how to perform a reboot and how to turn off your new Samsung Galaxy A21S. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below if it helped you out. Subscribe for more videos like this, and as always, I will see you in the next video.